Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of my first Bearbrick baby, the 3rd edition by Chiaki. So let's get this open. First we'll go through the front part of the box, and the sides and the back. So the box is actually the same as the previous Bearbrick babies that we had. The first one and the second one, which was done by Colette. So this is done by Project 16 and Medical Toy. Open. So this is it, my first Bearbrick baby, 3rd edition by Chiaki. It's a 3-colorway Bearbrick whereby it features the black, silver and pearl colors. We have a transparent tummy and 3 colors for the balls inside the tummy. So this is the front. So we actually have a glossy black, we can call it piano black. And this part here is silver. And the slats in the back. Silver, designed by Chiaki, and Medicom Toy 2009. So over here we have the same thing, Bearbrick and Medicom. If we shake it, it actually resembles a baby's rattle toy. I don't know how to call that, but it's like a baby's toy. That's actually about it. The unboxing of my first Bearbrick baby, 3rd edition by Chiaki. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is Bearbrick signing out.